Managing change orders can be a huge challenge for construction projects, but with CoConstruct, you can streamline the entire process and save yourself a ton of time and stress. Stick around until the end of this video to learn exactly how to use CoConstruct for managing change orders, and I'll show you how to get a free trial with exclusive bonuses you won't find anywhere else. CoConstruct makes it easy to handle change orders in a way that integrates seamlessly into your project's workflow. The first thing you'll want to do is create a new change order directly within the platform. Simply click on the Change Orders tab in your CoConstruct dashboard. This will open up a new window where you can input all the details about the change, such as the reason for the change, the cost impact, and the relevant deadlines. Next thing you'll need to do is estimate the cost of the change. CoConstruct lets you add items from your preset templates or create custom ones based on what's changing. The key here is accuracy. CoConstruct helps you keep everything in sync with your original budget, so nothing falls through the cracks. You'll see the adjustments reflected instantly, which makes it easy to evaluate how the change will impact your project finances. The third thing to do is send out the change order for client approval. CoConstruct lets you automatically send these orders to clients for review, and they can approve or reject them directly through the platform. This simplifies communication and eliminates confusion about what was agreed upon. You'll also have a record of every approval, so there's no need to worry about missing a step down the line. The fourth thing is tracking the progress of the change order as the project moves forward. With CoConstruct, you can monitor whether the change order is being implemented as planned and make adjustments if necessary. It also gives you the ability to tie in notes, updated timelines, or further changes to the original request, keeping everything organized in one place. Now, let's talk about the bonus feature. CoConstruct integrates with your accounting and project management software, so everything stays up to date without manual input. This means that the moment a change order is approved, it syncs automatically across your financial tracking tools and project timelines. This saves you from entering data twice and ensures that your reports are always accurate. By the way, if you're new to CoConstruct, you can use it for completely free right now by clicking the first link below. We've partnered with CoConstruct to offer you an exclusive extended free trial with additional bonuses that make it easy to get started and dive deeper into the platform's features. In conclusion, managing change orders with CoConstruct isn't just about streamlining processes, it's about taking control of your projects in a way that saves time, reduces errors, and improves communication with clients. If you want to experience all of these benefits for yourself, don't forget to grab your extended free trial from the link below. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.